Added lemon to condensed milk and you won't believe the outcome. Here with a 395-gram carton of condensed milk, I'm beginning by squeezing juice from 3 lemons. Now that's done, let's move it to a larger container. After adding everything, let's mix the whole thing very well. This is the perfect consistency. Let's put it in the fridge. Meanwhile, in a grinder, add a packet of cornstarch biscuits. Now just close it and let it grind everything very well. Now let's take this crushed biscuit and mix it with our filling. After mixing well, let's transfer it to a smaller container. Once that's done, just refrigerate it and wait until it's cold. Check this out, folks. How incredible is this dessert with just 3 ingredients? Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you all enjoyed it. This was another little recipe from Pour in the Kitchen. A big hug. See you next time, and thanks.